Hey everybody, welcome to TRA 4234. I just finished grading all of the papers and discussion for 3035. Your grades have been submitted, so those should post within a day, and you should see them by tomorrow. This is going to be week 1 review for 4234 warehouse and inventory management. This week's relatively easy. You have Chapter 1 in the warehouse management book, the role of the warehouse. Chapter 2, the role of the warehouse manager. Chapter 3 is receiving processes, receiving your goods and putting it away. And then warehouse management book, Chapter 4, warehouse processes, pick preparation, preparing to pick the product for shipment. For the introduction, since we're all the same group of people that we had in last class, no introductions necessary. I do know that somebody already posted one. That's okay. I think next term we have a person popping in for that class, so then we will all have to do the introduction. But as long as we have the same people in the class, no need, and I'll let you know whether you need to do that or not. You have a discussion question this week. This time, to avoid confusion, because I know there was a little confusion last time, I broke it up into first post and second post. So on one day, post your first post. On the second day, post your second post. And then you have 2 posts to your fellow students. And what I will say for the discussion is make sure that you are going back and looking at your questions after you answer them to see if your fellow students have asked you a question or if I have asked you a question, to get further information so that you don't lose points on that. Let's go back to week 1. There is no term paper due this term, but there is a paper in week 2, and I think it's in week 3. But they're not extensive papers like the last one. These are, you find an article in the library on a certain topic, and write a summary of what that article was about, and then submit it. But you will have to have a title page. Your in-text citations need to be properly formatted, your separate reference page, and those have to be properly formatted. And it has to be like 250 words, but that's next week. So for now, that's it for week 1. If you guys have any questions, as always, please shoot me an email or give me a call, and we'll work through whatever issue you may be having, or try to clarify whatever subject you're not understanding. Alright, have a good week.